Hey guys, this is the situation I have here. I get rid of the wire that I have here. Now I'm gonna get rid of this wire. This is how it is, and I don't think this is good. So I gotta get rid of this. I'm gonna unscrew this and put it right there, guys. You see, it went in there. I'm gonna do it right here and call it a day. Okay, folks, let me try to do this. I put at 17. I changed the wires. I changed the wires completely, guys. Let's see what happened. And I'm gonna try to do one on the corner there. Okay. Do one at the corner and see what happens. Shut up. Okay, this thing stopped. Why it does this? I don't know why it does this. This is not used to do that, guys. Now he stops. I don't know why he does it. Time to turn it off. Turn it back on. Okay. Oh boy. This never used to do that. This is probably a copy. Okay, you stop. No, he didn't stop. Didn't like the spark it does earlier. Bring it back down. See if he stops. Something wrong with this machine. Everything's supposed to be crying. Okay. When I see things like that, guys, I don't know what's going on, so I put my gloves on. Don't lose my hand. Those Chinese items, you know, they messed up sometime. Okay. Let's do a spot in here. Let's see what happened there, guys. Let's hope there's nothing blow up. That's better. That's much better. Look at this. Look at this. Was the wire was wrong. Look at this, guys. Wow. Wow. I guess I'm going to do a lot of spot welding now. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, guys. You see, this is why I do the videos. Okay. That's more likely, man. That's more likely. Let me redo some of those guys. Yeah, much better. This is at 17. Let me go and get some more and complete this part. Guys, I'm at 17. It was my cable was messed up. This is not tied up properly. Now I have to figure out a way to tight. Let me show you guys. This thing is not tied up properly. I have to find a way to run it. Look at the guys, I'm at 17. And I'm putting this thing right there. You remember last time, guys? I mean, within the video, this thing wasn't doing it. I don't know. When you starting this thing, it does act funny. Let's see what it is. And also, I'm gonna check. I didn't try the battery, guys. I want to see if this thing gonna work. Let's see if this thing gonna spot well. Last time I was trying to spot with a bunch of stuff here, it didn't work. Okay. Now I got spot weld going on. That's what I'm talking about, guys. Okay. Earlier I was doing a bunch of those. This is at 17. Okay. Let me do something here. Okay, guys. This is amazing. This is what you call a good machine. I mean, I did believe this thing was working fine. It just my battery was messed up. Now I got the battery to do. I'm gonna have another video of doing batteries for this thing, because this battery is too big, so I'm not gonna use the battery for this. Why not? I already have the screws. I have to find a way to tighten the screws in here in the battery, guys. Other than that, I think everything is fine now. The connection was wrong. Not wrong. It wasn't done properly. Okay. You know what? Gloves is not bad. I think I'm gonna be using the glove from now on. There we go, guys. That's a good spot. It's a very good spot, well, man. Look at this. You guys see this? You see the hole's different. This is amazing. Another one, guys. You guys like it? There we go. I can feel it now. Now I'm just gonna go spot weld most of them and again. Okay, make sure this thing doesn't come off. Okay, guys. This one need another one there. You see? That's spot welding. Make sure everything is fine. Look at how tiny those things are, right? Now look at the one I'm gonna do now. Bigger. Let's do another one like this. There we go. Let's do one here. Another one. There we go. Here. Come on. Okay. Okay. This doesn't want to come out. Okay, guys. Okay, this one here. Okay. Let's get something here. Another one. That one was okay, so this, I get everything. Let's do one in each again. Okay. 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 I did this one already multiple times. Okay. Alright, guys, I made a mess, but everything looked good. Everything looked good. Those are all the spot weld in this. Okay, guys, this video has been too long already, so I'm gonna attach this one to the other video. So, guys, this is the end of it. I have more to come up. I think the spot welder was the problem. Was the cable wasn't well placed. I still have this one loose. I gotta tighten it up a little bit more. Until, guys, don't forget to subscribe. It helped the channel tremendously. It was a pleasure. At least we achieved something. You saw this spot welder works pretty nice. I love it. I love this guy. This is really nice. That's an update, though. I have multiple of them.